Hi everyone, this is a quick tutorial about the GeoBoard application. I'm going to be demonstrating on my desktop, but you can do exactly the same job on the app. When you start the app, you'll see this board in the background. You can select a number of different colors of rubber bands to use for your shapes. Simply drag them, drop them onto the board. They'll attach to two of the points, and then you hold the center of that particular line to drag another corner, another point out, and pin it down to one of the pins. And you can continue to do this until you're happy with your shape. You can also resize the shape by holding the corners again and creating a new shape which is slightly larger. You have the option to increase the size of your board, so if you want to create a larger shapes or more shapes, you can use that larger board, which is rectangular, and you've also got a circular board there as well. And going back to our shape here in the first board, you can turn on the grid lines, which make it really easy to calculate the area and the length of the sides. You can also turn on the numbers, again, to assist with students to calculate size and area and perimeter. You can select a shape and fill it in. You can also take out the fill. And if you had, excuse the message there, if you had particular answers to reveal on the board or shapes that you want to have hidden, you can use the cover to cover specific areas of your board and then reveal once you want the students to see the answers. You've also got this, what looks like a calculator, but it's just a math text to type in some text, so you can label each of your shapes appropriately. Reduce the size of that. You've got a text which allows you to type in questions and answers. Again, you can just drag and reposition that on the board. Next to that, you've got the Scribble Tool. This tool allows you to be able to write, perhaps mark student work, or just use it for annotation, really. Now, obviously, this works a lot better if you've got an Apple Pen, so I might stay away from this tool for now. You've also got the ability to copy, so if you just turn that tool off, if you select a shape, you can copy and duplicate shapes and reposition them, rotate them if you need to, delete them. The key icon at the bottom lets students join your class using a code, and the share icon on the right, second from the right, allows you to actually give them a code so that they can join a specific GeoBoard for you to work on collaboratively. Alternatively, you can save images of your GeoBoards, and you can just share a link with your students on Zoom. Okay, so there you have it. That's a short tutorial just to show you how you can use the GeoBoard. I hope this is useful for your classes.